everyone. Myself Pratiksha Vilas Banole. Now we'll discuss Friedel-Crafts reaction with the example and mechanism. Friedel-Crafts reaction is the most important reaction in organic chemistry. What are organic chemistry? Organic chemistry What are organic chemistry? Organic chemistry is the study of the structure, properties, composition, reaction and preparation of the carbon containing compound, which include not only hydrocarbon but also compound with any number of other elements including hydrocarbon. Most compound contain the least one carbon hydrogen bond, nitrogen oxygen, halogen, phosphorus, silicon and sulfur. This branch of chemistry was originally limited to a compound produced by the living organism but has been broadened to include human-made substances such as the plastic. The range of application of organic compound in a must also include but limited to pharmaceuticals and petrochemicals, food, explosive, paints of cosmetics. What are benzene? Benzene is the most important reaction in a Friedel-Crafts reaction. Description: benzene is an organic chemical compound with the molecular formula C6H6. The benzene molecule is a composed 6 carbon atom joined in the planar ring with one hydrogen atom attached to each. Of benzene. First formula C6H6, molar mass 78.11 gram molar. IUPAC ID benzene, boiling point 80.1 degrees Celsius, density 876 kg per m cube, soluble in alcohol, acetic acid, acetone, chloroform, carbon, tetrachloride, diethyl ether. Then the benzene ring. Why AlCl3 is used as a catalyst in Friedel-Crafts reaction. Anhydrous AlCl3 is used as catalyst because it acts as a Lewis acid which can accept electron by forming intermediates and also by the speeding in up the reaction. It's also lead in the reaction of carbocation which is used in the electrophilic substitution. Then finally, the Friedel-Crafts reaction. The Friedel-Crafts reaction are the set of reactions developed by Charles Friedel and James Kraft in 1877 to attach substituent to an aromatic ring. Friedel-Crafts reaction are two main types: alkylation reaction, second one acylation reaction. Both proceed in electrophilic aromatic substitution reaction. Definition of Friedel-Crafts reaction. Friedel-Crafts reaction in a organic coupling reaction involving in a electrophilic aromatic substitution that is used for attachment of substituent aromatic ring. Definition of alkylation reaction: an alkyl group can be added to a benzene molecule by an electrophile aromatic substitution reaction called as Friedel-Crafts alkylation reaction. Example of addition of methyl group to a benzene ring: when benzene is react with methyl bromide in the presence of anhydrous AlCl3 to give toluene byproduct HBr. Mechanism of alkylation reaction: an electrophile is formed by the reaction of methyl chloride with aluminum chloride. The electrophile attack pi electron system of the benzene ring to form a non-alkyl. The positive charge on the carbocation that from delocalized by throughout the molecule. The aromaticity is restored by the loss of proton from the atom to which the methyl group has bonded. Finally, the proton react with AlCl4 negative to regenerate the AlCl3 catalyst and form of the product HCl. Definition of acylation reaction. In a chemistry, acylation is the process of adding in an acyl group to a compound. The compound providing the acyl group is called acylating agent. When acetyl chloride is react with benzene in the presence of anhydrous ACl3 to gives acidophenone byproduct HCl. Friedel-Crafts acylation reaction is another example of electrophilic aromatic substitution reaction. Is similar to the Friedel-Crafts alkylation reaction except the substance that react with the benzene in an acyl halide. The mechanism of acylation reaction. The reaction acetyl chloride with aluminum chloride form of the electrophile. Second, the electrophile attract a pi electron system of the benzene ring to form non-aromatic carbocation. The positive charge of a carbocation then from the delocalize throughout the molecule. The loss of proton from the atom, which is acetyl group, has a bounded restore the aromaticity. The proton react with of ACl4 negative regenerate of ACl3 catalyst and from a product ACl. Thank you.